Here's a look at my latest project. It's a drill press for a rotary tool. This is a Dremel moto tool, and I made it mainly to drill circuit boards and other small parts. I've looked at the other ones, the commercially available ones that you can buy for 30 or 40 bucks. They don't really look very good at all. So I came up with this here, which works really good, which I'm about to show you. The head section slides up and down on the column, as you can see. The column is fixed, the head section slides up and down, and you just tighten this knob to lock it in position. The moto tool itself, held in place inside this, it's clamped inside with this knob, and then you just take it right out. Now it's lined up pretty dead on. I've got a mark here that shows me where the top of the thing is, so I can line it up properly again. Just push it in tight and then tighten the knob like that. And over tighten. I don't want to crush the damn thing. On the other side, I'm going to show the other side. I'm going to turn it around. Get the cord out of the way. I got the arm that pushes the tool down, and it's spring-loaded. I originally had rubber bands here. Rubber bands work really well, but the problem with rubber bands is that eventually they'll wear out. I mean, they'll get hard and they'll break. So I found this spring at my local hardware store. I'm not entirely sure of the size, but it looked like it will work, and I bought a couple different size ones, and this is the longer one, and it works well. It fully returns the tool to the top position. I've got stops here and here. This one stops it from going up further. This one stops it from going down any lower. The range of motion is about 1.5 inches, which is, I think, more than enough for one of these things. You don't really want to be putting long drill bits in here. You don't really want a long capacity, so I limited it to 1.5 inch, and that works well. I made a notch here in the top of the post for the cord to fit in, just to sit in. The guide that as the thing goes up and down, so it's not hanging down. What I'm going to do is position it down and drill a couple of test holes. I haven't actually used it yet, and so this will be like the maiden voyage. So I'm going to adjust it down so that I'm just breaking the surface of this. Come up a little bit more. And tighten that in. Make sure that's tight. I'm not going to be drilling into the table. I want a scrap piece of wood here. This is MDF. MDF is great for this. What I'll do when I'm doing a circuit board is I'll take a piece of MDF, and I'll double side stick it down in a couple spots so it doesn't move, so that when I'm drilling into the same hole. So here I'm going to drill a few holes. Turn on the machine, see if it's going the right speed. Seems to be okay. Look at that. That works great. Okay. That works pretty good.